Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautifully resto-modded 1955 Mercury M100. You don't really see the M100s around. See a lot of F100s, but the Mercury's not so much. I got Fred, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. What are you doing today, Fred?
Yeah, the car is completely restored from the frame up.
Mm-hmm.
A nut and bolt restoration. Every piece of chrome on the car is practically new. All the bumpers, the door handles, the mirrors, every piece of glass and rubber seal is brand new.
Wow.
Locks, the exhaust, the taillights. The back part of the bed is completely brand new.
Wow.
Every part of it. Fenders, the bed, everything is brand new parts. The running boards are all brand new, all metal.
Love the dark mahogany against the grabber orange. All stainless fittings all the way around. This truck is new. It's fitted with a 4.6 liter Ford motor, fuel injected. It's got a Magna-Flow exhaust on it. Love the buckets, center console. Gives you a lot of a nice touch of modern performance
Right.
in an old truck with the
truck.
classic styling. Got disc brakes up front. Nice touch in the front too. The blacked out grille. Super unique, you know.
Yeah, it's different. The guy, it was done very tastefully.
It was.
Even though it's a bright color, it works.
It really works. It's a tribute to the Boss Mustang, you know. Love it.
Very hot color right now.
Yeah. Very cool. It's got a little bit of pearl in it too. Tastefully done. Stainless fittings. Custom wheels. Brand new tires. Love the old school blue dot. Pretty cool. Seat belts. Beautiful door panels.
Power sheet.
Power seat. Actually works. Man, it sounds so good. Really
The
does.
electric heaters for these seats are underneath here also. They just haven't been hooked up. But you can't hook up the electric heaters for the seats.
Very cool. It's got a Kenwood sound system in it. Heated seats. It's amazing. 4,456 miles on the build. Very cool. We check out under the hood. Tinted windows all the way around. It's got tilt wheel too, huh?
Yes. Even the interior I like more.
Yeah, I noticed that. Very cool. Man, look at that. Modern performance
Yes.
meets classic styling. So that's a fuel injected 4.6.
Fuel injected 4.6. You hit the gas cold anytime. It doesn't matter how cold it is out. It starts instantly.
Yeah, really nice. Nice big aluminum radiator, electric fan to keep things cool. Fuel pressure, or no, that's oil pressure?
Yeah.
Very nice. It's like a new alternator, new belts. Ready to go, huh? Independent up front.
Firewall was very, very clean.
Right? I think they refinished it. All stainless hardware too. Man, whoever put this together really had a lot.
It was a 7-year buildup, I was told.
Wow. I believe it. No expense spared either. Dynamat underneath there. Well, not Dynamat, but a speckle paint to keep things nice and cool. Man, I love it.
Right, nice and quiet and smooth. You hit the gas, you can hear it.
Yeah. Gonna buzz it around the block?
Sure.
Beautiful stainless chrome and everything on this truck. Nice truck. Very different. Nice day today. Finally starting to get warm out, you know?
Well, it's nice and smooth and quiet. You feel like you're in a brand new car.
Right? It's a lot of looks. I love how they brought the paint inside, you know? Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Michael from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.